Alcoa reported earnings earlier this week. The EPS number beat, and we heard a lot of positive things about different sectors from the company. Now, Stephanie, a lot of people don't really view this as an indicator of how the earnings season is going to turn out, but we do get a lot of information from this company. Yeah. What were some of the highlights that you heard?
The CEO is excellent in terms of providing really good color, granular detail. For one, aerospace expects to be up 9 to 10% this year. You're seeing air traffic up about 5.4% this year, cargo up about 3% this year. You're seeing across the board large aircrafts, business jets, all starting to see substantial improvement, and you do have a 9,400 backlog of aircraft. That's about 8 years worth of production. So that was one area. We own UTX. That's the one that we like a lot because of the Goodrich acquisition. Auto, that was the other area that he focused on, that Kleinfeld's focused on. And you're looking at about 15.2 million SAR. That's the 5th consecutive month of over 15 million. So very impressive. Still think inventories are low enough and the age of the fleet is high enough that you'll continue to see auto demand continue to improve. So Timken, Eaton are those two names that we're playing. Those are industrials, but those are the names. Certainly like Borg Warner quite a bit, and I'm even looking at Ford as kind of an interesting, tempting play. Toyota on the Japanese side is also a very interesting play. Then commercial construction, the ABI index is up 7 consecutive months over 50. That is a leading indicator of U.S. commercial construction. And it's not surprising because we track the ABI too, but it was just reinforced that this business, this segment continues to expand in the U.S. and that's housing, right? And that's Emerson, that's Weyerhaeuser, that's Home Depot. There are a lot of ways of playing that theme, and we have plenty of them in the fund.
Well, it was certainly a positive for a lot of those sectors, but yes, we're looking at earnings that are expected to be weak this quarter. In fact, the S&P 500 is looking for EPS to decline 0.6%
right
here. So are they understating that or overstating it?
Well, I would say that these end markets are the markets that you're going to want to play. And let's just say you get some sell the news, profit taking, because I really don't think these end markets are going to disappoint materially in terms of the end market demand. But if, let's just say, the expectations are high for UTX, for example, it's been one of the best performers in the group, I would love to buy that under 90. And so during earnings season, what we do in the fund, we actually raise a little bit of extra cash always, right before earnings season, so that we actually have a lot of ammunition. We could go and buy a UTX under 90. Hopefully it doesn't get there, but I mean, in a way, it would be a great bargain. Weyerhaeuser, same thing, under 30. Home Depot, 65. There are a lot of names, a lot of ideas that we have that, should you get a pullback, those are the ones we want to buy.
Okay, well, Alcoa certainly set the tone positive for some sectors, so keep your eye on some of the names that Stephanie just mentioned.